You know those targeted Facebook ads that try and sell you custom T-shirts? They're printed with those funny sayings. Kind of catchy, but there's always a catch.
Always a catch, yeah. You may be waiting months if you order from one of these businesses. So consumer expert Amy Davis has that warning for us today.
Yeah, you know which ones I'm talking about? Whether you're a welder, a teacher, or a firefighter, no matter your hobby or profession.
The reporter one.
Yeah, a journalist balancing wine and coffee, right? I mean, there's always one catered to you. Sherry Fernandez Villa is a veteran, and she was excited to wear this shirt that she purchased recently.
We didn't fight because we hated what was in front of us. We fought because we loved what we left behind. This is Sherry Fernandez Villa when she served in the Army as a field medic in Somalia in 1992. It's why the T-shirt that popped up in her Facebook feed spoke to her.
Being a veteran, I thought, you know, that's a great shirt. It was a great price.
Fernandez Villa paid the $7 plus shipping and handling to the Dollar Tea Club on June 18th. A month later, she messaged the company when she hadn't received the shirt. The woman who responded said her shirt would be on its way soon. She said the Dollar Tea Club had technical issues with their printers and orders got a bit backlogged. After more than 3 months, her next message was to me.
So here we are, and I still haven't received the shirt.
We researched the Dollar Tea Club based in Tampa, Florida, and discovered the company that just opened in November has received 368 complaints from customers to the Better Business Bureau for shirts they never received. We found Dollar Tea Club owner Ross Carell, where else? On Facebook. By phone, he told me a popular ad resulted in 216,000 orders within 30 days, and the company was backlogged. In a Facebook message, he wrote, "We're addressing our issues and dealing with them as fast as we can."
Just be honest.
Meanwhile, about a half hour after this interview, this popped up in Villa's Facebook feed from the Dollar Tea Club. Haven't seen you in a while. Ready to make a purchase yet?
If they're that busy and they're unable to fill the current orders, they really should stop advertising.
So the owner never gave a specific answer when I asked when Fernandez Villa and others could expect their T-shirts that they ordered, but late Friday, Sherry did get a notice that her shirt is now shipping. She promises to take a picture of her wearing it and show it to us exactly when she gets it so others will know.
Does she have a tracking number?
I gave no tracking number. I gave her name though to the owner. He was like, well, let me look into hers. They were outsourcing their printing, and then he said they bought their own printers, and they were having to wait on machines. So
that is a lot of orders in a short amount of time for something that was obviously popular, but the communication, just communicate with the buyers, let them know.
Because even after all this, she was like, I still want the T-shirt. I don't really want the $7 back. I want the T-shirt.
Yeah,
so.
right.
Well, hopefully you'll update on us.
I will.
I hope she gets her shirt. We're crossing our fingers for you.
I hope so. Boy, crazy story.